Hello to Coding for Kids again. And today we're going to be doing Python variables assign multiple values. Okay, so let's get started. Many values to multiple variables. Python allows you to assign values to multiple variables in one line. For example, X, Y, and Z equals orange, banana, and cherry. Print X, print Y, and print Z. So let's go to try it for yourself. And as you can see, when it says print X, print Y, print Z, you can see orange, banana, and cherry. So the orange, banana, and cherry all follow the order of the X, Y, and Z. From the commas in between them, and they basically just kind of take the form of so the X takes the form of the orange, and the Y is the banana, and Z is the cherry. And if you do X, Y, and Z, it should print all of them in order. So this is a quick note. Make sure the number of variables matches the number of values, or else you'll get an error. So of course that's because, so if we do I'm not sure, A, let's see what happens. So we got an error because in this case, A is just an added variable with no no other form to it. So it's going to come up as an error because there's nothing to basically be the A. Okay, so one value to multiple variables. And you can assign the same value to multiple variables in one line. Example, X equals Y equals Z equals orange. Print X, Y, and Z. So if we go to that, it's obviously going to be orange, orange, and orange because they all equal each other. And it's kind of like this because Z equals orange and Y equals Z, which equals orange, and X equals Y, which equals Z, which equals orange. It's a bit confusing actually. Like, if you think about it, it makes sense. But if you actually think about how like X equals Y equals Z equals orange, it's a bit confusing, but I assure you it does work. So unpack a collection. If you have a collection of values in a list, a tuple, etc., Python allows you to extract the values into variables. This is called unpacking. So an example of that is fruits equals apple, banana, and cherry. And X, Y, and Z equal fruits. And fruits, X, Y, and Z equals fruit. So all of that equals basically all of that, which is basically in the same order as the first one. It's just formatted in a different way. So if we go to try it yourself, and let's play around with this a little bit. Let's say bread, I'm not sure, car, and house. And let's just change it to A, B, C, oops, C, A. Let's actually make it a bit weird. B, A, oopsies, A, and C. And because we can just change fruits to, I don't know, something, just normal things. And let's see what happens. Okay, so A, B, C. Obviously, that would be in the same order because it equals things and things equals that. So A is bread, B is car, and C is house. Okay, so that's the normal thing. And print, the reason it's not in the same order is because the B is starting, then the A, then the C. Then that means it will be car, yes, then car, bread, then house. It's basically just put in a different order. So yeah, that's just that. And today we have learned that we can add many values to multiple variables, like x, y, and z equaling orange, banana, and cherry. Then assign the same variable to multiple variables, x equals y equals z, then equals orange, then print all of those, and make a collection and make fruits like just making a subject and equaling that to something there, then making your variables, then equaling them to fruits. Well, that means all of these will be the same as X, Y, and Z. And if you print them out, it should print out apple, banana, and cherry. So I hope you've learned something here. Um, and we'll continue the variables in the next